Hey everybody, I want to take a moment and give a little insight into what is going on behind the scenes as we are gearing up for a whole new year of content in 2018. First, I want to start off by saying 2017 was a big year for us. We started out unsure of the channel and its future and if the complex, intensive content we try to produce would ever reach a sustainable goal. Over the year, we pushed and stretched ourselves to produce as much content and grow as quickly as we could. And through the countless hours and all-night editing sessions, we managed to grow to a size that finally has some exciting potential. Where 2017 was a year of pushing for growth, 2018 is going to be a year of pushing for quality and attempting to reach the full potential of this channel's concept. This is going to have a couple changes to our content. First, for the first half of the year, we're going to slow down our releases to about every other week. This will allow us to produce a little bit of a backlog of our content. So when we run into inevitable issues, we won't suddenly have long gaps in our releases again. Secondly, we're going to start intermixing our series, providing a better variety of the content rather than getting stuck on a single topic for multiple months. One of the keystone episodes of this year is going to be the camera from scratch that Lewis Dartnell challenged me to make last year. It may seem like I just forgot about that, but I've been quietly collecting necessary resources for the past year, such as silver from Utah and seaweed while I was in Canada. As well as a camera, this year I'll be attempting a variety of weapons, starting with a knife and eventually hopefully working my way up to a firearm. In addition, finally doing the long-delayed soaps and toiletries, an assortment of musical instruments, a t-shirt I've been growing for over a year now, as well as trying my hand at counterfeiting some currency. All in all, we have 7 series with a few one-offs planned for next year, which in total will result in almost 40 unique from-scratch videos. That's a lot of videos, covering some large and challenging topics. It is going to be a stretch to achieve this by any measure, and by focusing on fewer videos, we potentially could end up with less money to support us. That's why I ask that if you enjoy our content and want to see us continue to produce more and better content, consider supporting us on Patreon. As we continue this year, our supporters on Patreon will become a greater and greater aspect of the audience, getting much earlier access to our backlog of upcoming videos and greater input into our creative direction. If you can't support us on Patreon, you could also consider supporting us through assisting with research. Researching is one of the most time-consuming and challenging aspects of the series. As an average person, I don't have extensive knowledge on every single niche skill set I need. And I'm dependent on the research I do before, which sometimes falls short. If you're interested in assisting in that regard, there's a form in the description below, and you can fill out and I'll contact you from there. Once again, thank you for watching. We're going to be releasing a new video explaining our Patreon next week, and then literally kicking off our 2018 season at the end of the month. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and check out other content we have covering a wide variety of topics. Also, if you've enjoyed these series, consider supporting us on Patreon. We are largely a fan-funded channel and depend on the support of our viewers in order to keep our series going. Thanks for watching.